What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is NewLegend123 and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPad Pro 2020. So the model that I have here is the 128GB Wi-Fi only model. There is no cellular built inside this iPad because this is not the cellular version of the iPad Pro. Okay, so let's open this seal. Okay, so now that we have opened the seals, let's get to what's inside this box. So now we're going to open this box. And there he is. So we have some Apple documentation. Let's see what's inside. We have some quick start guides. iPad Pro. Welcome to iPad Pro. Face ID, Control Center, and tips. So these are the new features that are available in iPad OS 14. Now it's the new one. This will only work if you have an Apple Pencil. I don't have an Apple Pencil, by the way. So we have this one is the Chinese version. And this is the Malay version. And we have some documentation, each in its respective language. And we have the Apple stickers. And we have an, I believe this is the 18-watt adapter. So as you can see, this is the 18-watt adapter with USB-C. And of course, we have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which we can use with the iPad Pro. So now that we have the iPad Pro 4th Gen 12.9-inch Wi-Fi only model, we can finally open that seal. So as you can see, this is what it looks like with the seal. And so now I'm going to take this apart very carefully. As you can see, this is the iPad Pro in its glory. So now let's set this up. Okay, so now let's turn this on. Give it a while. Okay, there we go. Hello. Swipe. And we'll choose English. Singapore, same language. So set up manually, continue. So I need to choose Wi-Fi network. Don't look at my Wi-Fi password. Okay, there we go. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, data and privacy. This icon appears when Apple feature asks to use your personal information. Okay, continue. Face ID. Continue. Started. So I need to set my Face ID first. Okay, Face ID is now set up. Continue. Don't see my passcode. Don't transfer some data. Wait, don't see my Apple ID. Okay, it may take a few minutes to set up your Face ID, and there we go. Terms and conditions. I agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Keep your iPad up to date. Get the latest features, security, and improvements by updating iOS automatically. Continue. Location services. Enable. Apple Pay, set up latent settings. iCloud keychain. Continue. Siri, continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And finally say, hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, so now Hey Siri is ready. Continue. Improve Siri and dictation. Not now. Screen time. Continue. iPad analytics. Share with Apple. Share with app developers. And continue. Dark mode, of course. Continue. Welcome to iPad. Get started. And here we are in iPad OS 14 in its glory, as you can see. Here we go. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel, comment on how should I improve my video, and make sure to smack the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.